Ooh, AR. I love AR. Come on. Come on. Oh, it's definitely second. Don't want to. There. Jesus Christ. Like, yeah, it's very, like, buggy down low. The throttle's very, like, on off. God, bro! Oh my goodness, 11, bro. So happy up top. Down low she don't like it, but I'm pretty sure those are flames. That was a flame, 100%. That was another flame. Oh my god. I wonder what it's gonna sound like with the AR. This thing at above like 9,000, this thing sounds like a race bike. Oh my god. Yeah, it does not like down low, but like, oh my god. Bro, what type of brakes you on? See it, but I know it does though. I'm gonna have to go for a night ride one of these days, but probably with the exhaust on, just so that you know, clearance issues and stuff. But you can, oh my god, you can hear it reverberate. That was the loudest thing. If there was tunnels around here, oh my goodness, bro. Like that would actually be insane. This is as raw as this bike could ever get, because it's literally a straight pipe. Yeah, it's so on off with like down low. Like riding slow is not like the greatest. Yeah, anything below like 4,000 RPM is little sketch. can tell that people can hear this bike, because like I mean when I was by the school, everybody's turned their heads. Almost every person I drove past turned their heads. It's like I don't like, is the bike that loud? You know, like is it that loud? I'm sure it's pretty like obnoxious, but like. Play some more Apex, but this does sound really, really, really nice. I would suggest getting like I mean a KO is probably just fine, but yeah, I don't really recommend doing no exhaust, because like, God, man, this is loud. Didn't shift. I guess we're going to our normal spot where we always end the video. This is the type of exhaust that be like shaking cars. Like, oh my god. I should have recorded this, but I'll definitely do another one. What? But yeah, this video wasn't really